Hello, welcome to another video on CWP. CWP is Control Web Panel, and if you've been with us for any length of time, you know that CWP is the control panel that we use in managing our VPS servers and the control panel that we use in hosting our websites. So when it comes to your VPS server, once you purchase your VPS server, what you usually do is that you use an SSH client like PuTTY to install CWP on your server. That's the first installation of CWP that you do. Now, once you have installed CWP on your server, there are times that from time to time you need to do one or two things on your server, and you need to go back to your SSH clients to do those things. But CWP provides a convenient interface that you can use to run your console commands without you using an SSH client like PuTTY. So have at the back of your mind that the first time you want to install CWP, of course you need to use PuTTY, but after that, then you can use the console that is provided by CWP to run your commands. So for instance, if I were to want to run some commands on this particular server, I just come to my CWP dashboard, and on top here, I look for terminal. I click on the terminal, and I can just go with the simple terminal. Once I go with the simple terminal, you see that I have my terminal right there, and I can just begin to run commands on my console. For instance, let me check using this command systemctl to check the status of my postfix server. So if I do the status of my postfix server by running systemctl status postfix, I will see the status of my postfix server, and you can see that my postfix server is running and it is active. You can see active, running, and my postfix server is running. Let me check the status of my send mail. So I can do systemctl, and I can just do status, and I can do send mail, and you can see that my send mail is inactive. My send mail is actually dead. So I can activate my send mail from here by running another command, systemctl, and I can just say start, or let me say enable, systemctl enable, then I say send mail, and then I can run systemctl, I can say start, and I can say send mail, and that command has been run, and I can now change the status of send mail, systemctl, I can say status, and I can do send mail, and you can now see that my send mail is now active. So with this convenient web console, you can actually run your commands. For instance, if I were to want to install something, I can just run the command I need to install from here, and I can navigate through my site. I can copy files, I can move files, I can change, I can do permission settings and all of that directly in my web browser without a need for an SSH client like PuTTY. So this is something convenient, and this is something that I just thought you should know, so that you know that you can actually run your SSH command directly from your browser. So if you notice that maybe your emails are not sending or your postfix server is down, you can just come in here and restart those services by yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.